6th grade math instruction video. Ratios and proportional relationships. This objective informs you to make tables of equivalent ratios relating quantities with whole number measurements, find missing values in the tables, and plot the pairs of values on the coordinate plane. Use tables to compare those ratios. On this slide, I have attached educational video links that can help you with this objective. There's one from Khan Academy, 3 Learn Zillion videos, and 2 study jams. The students' outcome from this objective is that they understand that a ratio table is a table of equivalent ratios. Students use ratio tables to solve problems. They can understand that a ratio is often used to describe the relationship between the amount of one quantity and the amount of another quantity, as in cases of mixtures or a constant rates. Let's do a guided practice together. It says to make paper mache, the art teacher mixes water and flour. For every 2 cups of water, she needs to mix in 3 cups of flour to make the paste. Find equivalent ratios for the ratio relationship 2 cups of water to 3 cups of flour. Represent the equivalent ratios in the tables below. So if you make a ratio table, your title should be cups of water to cups of flour, and you will start with the 2/3 that they gave you. What does the ratio mean? For every 2 cups of water, there are 3 cups of flour. Every time we have a set of 2 cups of water, we need to have a set of 3 cups of flour. Why is it worded for every 2 cups of water, there are 3 cups of flour? This suggests that we might be doing the same action repeatedly, adding 2 cups of water and 3 cups of flour. Why would I do this more than once? There are many times that batches need to be larger than the 2 cups of water and 3 cups of flour. Can you list all the possible recipes for the mixture in order in a table? Let's start with the ratio that uses the smallest whole number. Is there an equivalent ratio that uses smaller whole numbers than the ratio 2 to 3? No, so you start with 2 to 3. What would be the next possibility if you're using only whole numbers and you don't want to skip over any options? So the next option would be for every 4 cups of water, there are 6 cups of flour. The next, for every 6 cups of water, there will be 9 cups of flour. And for every 8 cups of water, there are going to be 12 cups of flour. Each one of these ratios are equivalent to the starting 2/3. Now for the next one, do an independent practice. Read the following points and try to make your own table with the information given and answer the bottom question. The answer would be, Javier will need to build 18 web pages in order to pay for his car. The lesson summary: a ratio table is a table of pairs of numbers that form equivalent ratios. When creating a ratio table, what does each pair of values represent? Each pair of value represents a ratio that is equivalent to all the other ratios in the table and that describe the ratio relationship of 2 quantities.